Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going over how to connect your PlayStation account to Marvel Rivals in 2025. If you've been wondering how to link your PSN profile so you can enjoy your progress and play seamlessly, I've got you covered, and there's a few simple steps. First, head to the official Marvel Rival website and choose your PlayStations as your platform. You will need to sign in with your PlayStation Network credential, so have those ready. Once you're logged in, go to your profile or account settings and look for Connection tab. There, you will find an option to connect your PlayStation account. Click on Connect and follow the prompts to authorize Marvel Rivals to link your PSN account. This will sync your game profile so you can jump right into the action without hassle. Keep in mind, sometimes network errors can be pop up during the process. If that happens, just give it some time and try again later. Also, be aware that Marvel Rivals doesn't support cross progressions yet, so your progress stays on the platform where you're playing. So that's how you link your PlayStation account to Marvel Rivals smoothly in 2025. That's a pretty straightforward and gets you ready to enjoy game hassle-free. Thanks for watching. If this helped you connect your accounts, be sure to like this video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more gaming tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.